Hi. Everything are connected. You just don't see the link. What is this? I just discovered it. This is called astrological chart. And this astrological chart is developed by Muslim. And when I talk about this, that's because that in the forum, someone asked, what happens if next Monday, 2nd of May, is officially announced as first day of Raya? So what it says is that we're now here, and 1st of May is really the Labor Day, and Monday should be, since it's a Sunday, it's an off day, so there's a replacement of a Labor Day on Monday. But if the Hari Raya fall on Monday, the first day of Hari Raya fall on Monday, then this particular Monday has two public holiday. One is the replacement of Labor Day. The second is the first day of Hari Raya. So now, how do you deal with this if that happens? So the second day, since the second day is the Hari Raya, so the third day, the 3rd of May, should push it to become the first, the holiday for first Hari Raya, and the second should be goes to here. So it's just push it towards to the right. So is that correct? If the first day of Hari Raya really fall on the Monday, which is tomorrow, is it correct? So the Google Calendar shows that this is the one Monday, and then I have this, and I have this. Okay. So that issue is because of Jakim says this. So if you think that Jakim so Jakim says that you have to relate to menyerap tanggungjawab tersebut kepada pihak berautoriti, right? So proses penentuan rasmi tarikh hari raya. So if you think that they use the kaedah rukaya and hisab menduga awal bulan Hijri termasuk tarikh awal puasa, Hari Raya Aidilfitri and Hari Raya Aidil Adha, selaras dengan kehendak syarat yang mengikut kaedah ilmu faklah serta astronomi. Now, ilmu astronomi. So today we have a lot of astrology knowledge, but where does it come from? That's why you come back to this one here. The astrology has rise to the peak is because of if you look at this Wikipedia, it says this. So some medieval Muslim took a keen interest in the study of astrology. You mean that they are keen interest in the study of astrology, okay? And despite the Islamic prohibitions, partly because they consider celestial bodies to be essential, partly because the dwellers of desert regions often travel at night. Oh, they travel at night. Oh, the dwellers travel at night. Yeah, if you remember that Aladdin, that movie of Aladdin, yeah. And rely upon knowledge of constellations for guidance in their journey. Those days they don't have the compass. So after the advance of Islam, the Muslim needed to determine the time of the prayers. They need to know when to pray, the direction of the Kaaba, and the correct orientations of the mosque, all of which helps a religious impetus to the study of astronomy and contribute towards the belief that the heavenly bodies were influential upon terrestrial affairs as well as the human condition. The science dealing with such influence was termed astrology, Am Nujum, a discipline contained within the field of astronomy, more popularly known as Ilm al-Falak, the science, the formation of the heavens. The principle of these studies were rooted in Arabian, Persian, Babylon, Hellenistic, and Indian traditions, and both were developed by the Arabs following their establishment of the magnificent observatory and library of astronomical and astrological texts at Baghdad in the 8th century. So, if you want to know more about this, do Google and study about this thing. There's a lot of this here. So, in fact, Baghdad is the world astronomical center at that time. So, we learn a lot of this. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. There are more knowledge you can derive from here. Okay. Wow. So, Islam is very rich in knowledge in many areas. So, you gotta embrace the differences, learn it, and apply it in your day-to-day work. Get your understanding, because if you don't, if you have fear because that you don't know it. When you know it, your fear will be reduced, and you get understanding more. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Everything is connected. You just have to see.